Hey everybody, welcome back. So today we are outside because we are going to be talking about an artist, Andy Goldsworthy. Andy Goldsworthy is a famous British artist and sculptor and environmentalist that is best known for his nature sculptures. He travels all around the world and creates these beautiful, huge and small sculptures that are only made out of the things that he finds in nature. Here are some examples of his work here. Much and almost all of his work is very, very fragile, and it's not going to last a long time. So he has to rely on his photography skills and the lighting in order to make sure that he can capture the beauty of his artwork and that he can display it later. So this is your challenge for this project. Go outside and create a sculpture that is inspired by the nature that you find around you. Gather supplies and then create something that can be inspired by Andy Goldsworthy's work, or it can be inspired by something that's totally original. Get creative, try out lots of different things, and then snap a picture when you're done to make sure that I can see all of the awesome stuff that you get to do. There's so many things that you can use for your sculptures, especially things that you can find all around your house.
You could use flowers, rocks, grass, leaves, bark, pine cones.
So I used flowers for my project, and I was really inspired by the spirals that Andy Goldsworthy uses often in his work. So some things that you want to be aware of when you do your project is definitely to keep your eye out for the weather and create your project in an area that's protected from elements of the weather, especially the wind. Also, make sure you don't pick anything that's poisonous, and definitely ask permission before picking flowers out of people's gardens. I hope you have an awesome time making this project. I know I did.
Dude, this bumblebee has been following me around. Dude, this bumblebee won't go away. Go away.